Don't think that I cannot do. You can, like me. I also first think like that. Then I cannot do this. If I do these things will waste. Okay. You have to practice. When you will try first, it will not come. If you practice that again, it will come definitely. This is Valentine and you're watching an Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a slime with some flour. So let's get started. So to make the slime we don't need borax, glue and activator. No fevicol, nothing. It's flour and water along with some salt. That's it. So I will show you how to make it. Let's get started. So to make this slime, we only need 3 ingredients. That is some water, flour, and some salt. That's it. So to make this slime, we only have to use a plastic bowl to make it. Otherwise, the slime will not come. Don't use a silver bowl. So now you can use any flour, like wheat flour, maida, like that. So that's it. So now first we have to put the flour. Now add the salt. Now mix it well. Now let's add some water. Now let's add some color. Let's add some flour to get the consistency. Definitely I have to add some salt. Oh, Anna, don't come here. Okay. It is coming a little bit. I'm sure it will come. Mix. See, now the slime is coming. I know it will come for me. Practice. do? Huh? This is green. Say green. Hey, what are you doing? Do you want to make a slime? What are you doing? Kiss. 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 It is so hard to mix. What am I gonna do? I want to go away.